Ay, bitch, I let them know. Ay, bitch, I had to get dropped out of school, they ain't no slay. Ay, I'm tryna get paid, I got bitches wanna get laid. Ay, baby, give me face. Free the K, he caught a K. Ay, baby, you superstar, if you poppin' with your family. What you heard about us? What you wanna know about us? It's baby gang, it's baby gang. With it, baby gang, it's your boy Baby Chris, and I'm back with another video, guys. And my allergy and shit kicking my ass right. Screw me right now, I heard, but I said fuck, I'm gonna vlog today. You guys, I might do a prank in this video, I don't know. But if y'all see a prank in here, that means I did a prank video. Stay tuned. Oh y'all, my you guys, they done got me freaking wet. I wasn't even trying to get wet.
Baby gang, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's the AJ Lincoln, and everybody.
Sorry, we don't do free promotion.
And make sure y'all comment. Let her get her phone back, cause I got my phone too.
You guys, she got a phone too, so go splash your mother right now.
Push me.
If you keep splashing, I will push you. She thinks she cool over there. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
So y'all, she over here hogging the gun. Don't even use the gun, like the foot. So y'all, her Instagram got blocked. Any single dudes out there, hit her line. I got the gun. I got the gun, y'all. Stay tuned. You gotta keep it recorded. Record me. Y'all, I'm finna go spray man. Come on. Come on. Did you get him, Fat? Hold the camera up. Hold the camera up. Get him. No, Fat, don't let her wet the phone. Give me, Fat. So you guys, I just jumped my net free. They want to splash me earlier. I couldn't get that on camera because I had nobody to hold it. But Mike, get him. Fat, get him, get him. Let me see. We gotta reload. Yeah, we gotta reload. It's getting hectic out here. I done dropped one of my earrings. I gotta reload, but I don't think they're gonna let me reload because she reloading that, so I'm gonna go reload. It's getting hectic. Y'all stay tuned. Keep it going. Give me. Stop, don't touch that. What's up? Put your hand up.
Put your hand up. I expect me.
It's not shoe, it's jamming. I go for a go. But you wearing we ain't no female over here. Get out my face.
Get out my porch. Get out my porch. Get out my porch. Get out my porch. Yeah, get out my porch.
Y'all, she trying to get me. I'm finna throw her ass in the pool. Get over that fire, throw you in the pool.
Hey.
Don't let that. She got my camera. Put that pillow back down. Let me see. You gonna get the phone wet, but you getting it. How you feel about her keep splashing us like that?
Oh no.
I'm keep telling you, you gotta record. She got y'all. I look like a freaking burnt chicken right now. Why she keep splashing us?
Oh no.
Stay tuned. Like a baby chicken. We like a fish. Oh, stop! He done took the gun. He done took the gun. Nobody. Ooh, that thing fat. What's up? Y'all, this is my niece. Any future boys out here trying to holler at her, I'm a fuck. No, I'm just playing. Never know. What you got, sir? Fat, what do you feel about the kid keep splashing me right now? You don't know? I think we should jump him.
You ain't gonna turn my
Get him. Get him. Y'all, this is the new kid. He thought we was gonna go get him. Go get him. How you gonna drop the gun? I know this one be jamming. This is it. I ain't tell y'all to come over here. Yeah, I told them they come on share here in the shade.
No, we can't listen to you because you touch.
We're going back. I'm over here chilling. The sun banging me right here. So you forget your water.
They were just bringing them out the store.
So y'all, I just made some food for the children.
They were about to put in inside with me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what you're doing. But they had, dude don't work there that's cooking. There's a big old dude, he don't work there.
If they tell you how to eat that food, you
Huh?
gotta teach how to eat that
What you
food.
put on your hot dogs?
Yeah,
Yeah.
You should have made it when she was
Man,
making it.
we not cool.
I heard y'all looked at myself crazy.
Any single dudes out there? We trying to find two dudes. I'm talking about two.
Hey, Mike, on my head.
What?
I see chips on my hot dog.
Man, you can't. Socks over there. What's up, man?
What's up, baby? Who are you? Want to see me swim?
I ain't been seeing you.
Chris, look.
I already got 3 videos, so you gotta wait next time. I ain't seen you. We can do a skit. Huh? Dad don't know nothing about no beans on hot. Now we ain't had no ketchup out here, so it really had to work. I ain't want to get it. They probably gonna get too much. A BJ got Cortez out. Thought a B got it out. I ain't too. You just got nothing smoking on all the food. You got, you know I'm your uncle. You know I can whoop you, right?
Ma, tell him he can't whoop me.
Now listen.
Damn.
I whoop kids. I'm old school.
No, my mama said no, no boo-boo.
I'm old school.
You can't whoop me. I don't care if you're my uncle. My mama said no, so that means
Beat
no.
the child.